Want to link Riot account to Xbox? We have you covered. Here we have shown how to do it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solution for you. This way you can stay connected with us and get quick help with your future tech issues. Now let's get started. Visit the official site of Riot Games. The link is given in the description below. Click on the Sign In button. Click on the Xbox icon. Choose your Microsoft account from Pick an Account section. Here you will get a notification about what permissions you want to give to Riot Games. Click on the Yes button. From the next page, click on the Riot icon or Sign In button. Type your username and password. Then click on the arrow button. After this, you will be notified that your account is connected with Xbox profile. Click on the Continue button below and you will be signed in. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quicker solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know if the solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.